Alam mo yung pakiramdam na sobrang sipag mo naman, pero parang kulang pa rin. Nakaka-relate ka ba? You work long hours. You show up every day. You give your best. Pero bakit para pa rin ang layo ng freedom na gusto mo? Pagod pero walang extra income. Nag-overtime ka, tama? May income pero laging maraming bayadin. Relate ka ba? Hard work is there, but freedom feels far. One income stream is no longer enough. Hi everyone, blessed Thursday na agad. And thank you Lord, Thursday na. It's me again, Rosalie from Padova, Italy. Huwag ka magsasawang makinig. Ako as a full-time dental assistant for many years, a wife and a mom, I truly believe that if I just work harder, sometime magiging feel-free din kami. Feel-free din ako. And hard work is honorable. Pero one day I realize, hard work alone doesn't automatically create freedom. Kasi freedom today is not just about being busy. It's about building leverage, multiple income streams, and using digital tools wisely. Noon kasi mayroon akong time na, alam mo yan, directly tied to my income. Kasi, di ba kapag di tayo pumapasok or hindi ako pumapasok, walang kita. I'm talking sa iba. Kapag pagod tayo, kapag pagod ako, not totally hihinto yung income. Pero sa iba, yes. That mindset changed when I started learning how to build something online while keeping my job. I realized hard work build survival, smart system build freedom. And hindi ibig sabihin na tumigil ka sa trabaho, tumigil ako sa trabaho. It means adding something that works beyond your working hours. Siyempre, tayo talagang nagtatrabaho tayo. Alam mo yan. For many things. But today, ask yourself, is my hard work only paying today's bills? Or is it building tomorrow's freedom? Because real freedom happens when your effort today can still create results for tomorrow. If this message spoke to you, why don't you comment freedom? And let's talk about how ordinary working moms can start building extra income. Step by step, of course. Be inspired and God bless. And of course, the first thing you have to do is you have to start with your desire and pray for it. Huwag po magpadalos-dalos sa decision if this God's will for you and makakabuti sa iyo. Why not to try? Why not to give yourself a try? Bye and God bless. Papasok na ulit.